We're going to work on creating a Google slide and working on the background first. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a slides presentation for you here right now. And when we do that, this is going to come up. And remember, this is our editable version. And what's going to be over here on the left is called the slideshow. So right now it's kind of just opening up. So we have our slideshow right here. You can see when this opens that you have some themes that are going to come up in just a second that you could choose over here on the right. You learned about that in the design video. But what I want to do is I want to show you how you can create your own background if you'd like. So I usually just go ahead and click this and then delete it because I want to create something brand new. So to do that, I'm going to go to this plus sign here and click the drop down menu and then choose a blank slide presentation. And so this is what we have right here. And then you'll click background. So I'm going to click the word background. Now you can choose a color or you can also put a new picture in as the background. And what it means when you have a background is once it's in here, you can't change it unless you come to background. Okay, so it's going to be on this slide, okay? So if I could go to color, I could click color and I can I could choose any of these colors here and then it could create that. Or I could choose an image, which is something I really like to do. If you have something already downloaded that you like, that's fine. A lot of times though, I will have it on my Google Drive and I might have some digital paper, which is a great way to do a background. Or you might just do a Google image search. So I'm going to go up here and I'm just going to put, like if I have a color, I might put digital paper. And when I put digital paper, you can have all sorts of background things that will pop up and you can see the options that they have here. Or you might be able, and I can just click one, I'll just click this one and you can see what happens and I'll insert it. And then it is now the background of this, okay? So if I wanted to create another one though, I could go back to background and it's going to ask me if I want to choose image or reset to the theme, that the theme is over here. I can reset it very easily by just clicking that. Or I could even go up and choose, like a lot of times I like to choose a border and I just type border and then you can see different types of border that might come through. And then you can just pick one that might fit on your presentation and then click done. And there you go. So when I come back over here though, you'll notice I cannot do anything to this because it's in the background. But now is when I can go in and now I can add my text boxes and I can start typing. But this is not going to change because I have set it as the background. If I click a new image, it's going to be blank. So if you want to use the same one, you can always go up here and you can press Control and then the D for duplicate, and then you can create a new one from that. So that's Control D as in duplicate. All right. So you can use a theme or you can even create your own background.